Hello, I'm so glad you came to visit me again today in my kitchen. What we're going to do today is we're going to put together something that is a little different, has a different twist to it. Usually when you go camping, you sit around the campfire and you make s'mores. Make s'mores. That is so much fun. And they're delicious, right? They're okay. But what we're going to put together today, you will be amazed. They are delicious. I'm using these puff pastry sheets. Keep them frozen until you're ready to use them. It's best. It's easier to work with. Put your oven at 400 degrees. Preheat that. Get it good and hot. That's what helps them to rise. And they will work out really well for you. So that's what we're using. I have my huge pan out here. My oven is 15 by 15, so I have to be a little creative. I have to try to find pans that will fit that. Not always real easy, but they're there. You can find them. So let's get cooking. I'm going to get my little sheets out of the freezer. I have some of these already cut. I have 3 of them. Another important thing to remember is that you do not want to put any pressure on these. If you were to push down in the middle or pinch the ends, they won't puff up. So you can, it's not like you have to be nervous about handling them, but you don't want to put any pressure on them. If they are, since they're a little bit frozen, these are not real hard, but if you take them out of the freezer and they're real frozen, and you find when you open them up, they have a crack, they crack in this particular, it's not going to matter, because you're going to cut them anyway. So don't get excited over that. I can only make about 6 of these, about 6 of these at a time because the pan's small. So we're going to get going. Kind of eyeball it up here. That's not important either. Let's put these in the oven now for about 25 minutes. Kind of peek in, and watch them. But that's about how long it takes. 400 degrees again, I mentioned. So we'll put them in. And we'll do something with them once they're done. Hang around. Went off. Let's take a look. Oh yeah. Look at that. Isn't that beautiful? They came out so nice. They're nice and high, all puffed up. Okay, let's cut these open. Woohoo! Nice and warm. They are warm. So, let's put a little bit of chocolate in it. That'll be good. Uh-oh. Let's see, let's add some marshmallow. Wet my fingers, wet the spoon, helps us to let go. Look at that. Isn't that gorgeous? Now, you can take this and eat it just like that, which is delicious, isn't it? Or what you can do is come over here Get your sifter, put in your powdered sugar, come over to your plate, and coat the plate with yummy, yummy powdered sugar. Now you come back over here, pick up your s'more, put it down. Think we can do something else to make this delicious? I think so. How about this? Oh, that's better. That's better. Isn't that beautiful? Now you have a Glamper s'more. Does that look good? Call everybody in and have them have this dessert. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed this recipe as much as I did. And thank you very much for coming to visit me in my kitchen. See you next time. Bye-bye.